There is a tremendous need for more volunteers. I served for 2 years as president of CASA of New Jersey. So I know from a statewide perspective that some programs are stronger than others, that in some areas more children are being served than others. The reality is that statewide, as good as we are and as much as we do, there are still 64% of the children who are not covered, do not have a CASA advocate. So we have at the present time approximately 2,000 volunteers, and we are serving approximately 4,000 children. But the reality is there's thousands of more children who need to be served. I know that there are people who are hearing me now who have a heart for children, who either themselves have experienced abuse and neglect, or who have known others who have, and know their hearts are touched by it. They know that with a caring person, that the trauma that has been endured can be healed if services are in place and if people care. And that's what we're calling on people to do, to express their care by volunteering to be a CASA. But the opportunity is great. And the number, I can tell you how good it is for those who serve, because they serve for years. Even if they figure, I'll make a 2-year commitment and that's good, or a 1-year commitment, but they continue to serve. Sometimes because their child needs an advocate and they're still in the system 2 or 3 years later. Sometimes it's because they say, this is really good. I know that I'm making a difference. And that's the person that we're speaking to. The one whose heart is so broad that they can include and reach out to others and use this as a way to help others. There are so many different ways that you can help serve CASA and become a part of CASA. The one I've been talking about mostly is being a CASA volunteer, a court-appointed special advocate to be able to go to court and advocate for the child. But there are so many other ways. We need board members. We need people who are volunteering to give money. We need people who are willing to ask others to give money. There is one place in the state of New Jersey that you can go to be able to indicate your interest, CASAforchildrenandj.org. I've lived it, and I know how valuable CASAs truly are.